If you're trying to decide between GoDaddy Website Builder and WordPress, this video will help you choose the right one for your needs. I'm going to break down the differences in the simplest way possible, including what each platform is best at, where each one falls short, and who should use which option. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more website tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about GoDaddy Website Builder. The big advantage here is that it is an all-in-one drag-and-drop builder. That means hosting, updates, and security are all included for you. You do not have to worry about connecting separate services or handling technical setup. Everything is handled behind the scenes, which is why it is so beginner-friendly. If you want to launch a website fast, GoDaddy is one of the easiest ways to do that. You can build a simple site in minutes, especially if you are making a local business page, a portfolio, or a basic brochure-style website. It also gives you predictable monthly pricing, which makes budgeting easier at the start. However, there is one thing to keep in mind. Renewal pricing can increase later, so it is important to check the long-term cost. Now, let's look at the limitations. GoDaddy Website Builder is easy to use, but that ease comes with restrictions. You are limited to pre-made template blocks, so you do not get the same level of custom design control that you would with WordPress. You cannot really dig into custom code or make deep visual tweaks. Its SEO tools are also fairly basic, and more advanced features may cost extra. If you want to run a large online store, GoDaddy may feel limiting because e-commerce is really designed for smaller product sets, and you usually need a premium commerce plan. Another important point is ownership. You do not truly own the builder itself, and if you ever want to move your site away later, migration can be difficult. So GoDaddy is best if you want a hassle-free, one-and-done website and you are not planning to build something very advanced. Now let's switch over to WordPress, specifically self-hosted WordPress. WordPress is an open-source content management system that you install on your own hosting. That gives you much more freedom and control. One of the biggest strengths of WordPress is creative flexibility. There are thousands of themes and plugins, plus full code access if you need it. That means you can customize almost everything about your site. WordPress is also much stronger for SEO when you use free plugins like Yoast or Rank Math, because they help you manage metadata, clean structure, and on-page optimization more effectively. If you are building an online store, WordPress with WooCommerce is far more scalable. It can handle thousands of products and more complex inventory needs, which makes it better for growing businesses. Another huge benefit is ownership. With WordPress, you own your content, your data, and your design. The software itself is free, and over time, it can often be cheaper than a proprietary builder, depending on your hosting plan. Of course, WordPress is not perfect either. The biggest drawback is the learning curve. It usually takes more technical comfort to set up hosting, manage updates, and handle security. You are also responsible for maintenance, including backups, updates, and security patches. And compared to a drag-and-drop builder, the initial setup can take more time and effort. So WordPress is best for businesses, bloggers, and store owners who want room to grow, better scalability, and full control without running into platform limits. So here's the simplest way to decide. Choose GoDaddy Website Builder if you want speed, simplicity, and an easy setup with minimal effort. Choose WordPress if you want flexibility, stronger long-term control, better scaling, and more advanced features. In short, GoDaddy is the faster beginner option, while WordPress is the more powerful long-term option. If this comparison helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.